TikTok is a social media platform that allows users to create and share short-form videos with a wide range of music, filters, and effects. While the app was initially used primarily for entertainment and personal use, it has quickly become a powerful tool for businesses looking to connect with a younger, highly engaged audience. Here are some ways TikTok can work for businesses. Advertising. TikTok offers various advertising options to businesses, including in-feed ads, brand takeovers, and sponsored hashtag challenges. These advertising options allow businesses to reach a wider audience and promote their products or services. Influencer marketing. Many businesses partner with popular TikTok influencers to promote their products or services. Influencers can create content featuring the brand, share their experiences with the product, and encourage their followers to check out the brand. Organic content. Businesses can create their own TikTok account and create organic content that showcases their products or services in a fun and engaging way. TikTok's algorithm rewards high-quality, engaging content, so businesses can potentially reach a large audience without spending money on advertising. Hashtag challenges. TikTok challenges are popular and often go viral, so creating a branded hashtag challenge can be an effective way for businesses to engage with their audience and promote their brand. Overall, TikTok offers businesses a unique opportunity to reach a highly engaged audience and showcase their brand in a creative and entertaining way. By leveraging the platform's advertising options, partnering with influencers, creating engaging organic content, and launching branded hashtag challenges, businesses can effectively use TikTok to achieve their marketing goals. If my channel is helpful, please consider subscribe to my channel.